Now you need to set up a commerce account in your business manager to create Facebook shop or Instagram shop. So fundamentally, the prerequisite is very simple. It has to be a Facebook page. It cannot be a Facebook profile. And if if you want to create an Instagram so-called shop, it has to be an Instagram business account. You have to change it over to the Instagram business account. I don't need to teach you. Just Google. There are very simple steps to go through. So once you have done this, the next thing that you need to do is you need to actually gain access to this Facebook page and Instagram account in your business manager. So if you want a commerce account, you need to have a business manager. So all you need to do is you go to business.facebook.com or just Google business manager. You'll be able to create a business manager for free. Then you want to claim and bring, if you own the pages, then you just claim them in, Instagram account. Also, you can claim it into your Facebook business manager. Then only you are able to create Facebook shops and Instagram shops for your Facebook page and your Instagram business account. So that's the steps that you have to follow. So if you have an error that is not connected, then just go through whatever I say just now, claim ownership or gain access to this Facebook page and Instagram account into your business manager, then you can create that. Now, make sure you have admin access to this Facebook page and the Instagram account, then you'll be able to do everything you want to do. So commerce manager issue is because of that.